Hey, this is Ronald from Skills University, and unfortunately, I'm back at it. 2 years ago, I put a video up on this Amana washing machine because it stopped draining. So you would finish a load and it just wouldn't drain. I bought a new drain pump. I took it apart because I couldn't find any kind of reset code, and I had to do some figuring out, but I got it to reset and it didn't need a drain pump, but I kept it anyway. And Whirlpool owns Amana and Maytag. Like, if you see that, this is made in America, but the quality should be there. Come on, man. So here we are again. My wife has to go to the laundromat because suddenly she did a load. She did this dress and it didn't quite spin or drain out correctly. So there's a little bit of water in the dress. And then after the load, now there's no lights. And there should be a light on there. So I know something's wrong. Knowing that something's wrong, I'm going to unplug this for 30 minutes and we'll see what happens. Okay, it's been 30 minutes, so I'm going to plug it back up. So nothing happened. Now if I hit start twice, pump it twice, it should blink like that. Now here, I'm going to hold that down for 10 seconds. And see how the blinking stops. Then I'm going to let it go. And then tap it once. And the light is solid. Now I'm going to try to have my wife wash a load. But you see it's trying to do something. You can hear it. And it hasn't said lid lock yet. It's not locking. So the water is filling up. I'm going to have my wife throw something in there real quick. Okay, my wife gave me two things to throw in here. So I'm going to close the lid again and see what it does. And I've received a lot of comments and questions about this. I am not an Amana guy at all. And I'm not going to pay anybody to do that. And with this one, I did buy the drain pump. For the dryer for the Amana, I have a link to all the parts for the dryer. So if you have to replace the belt, the rollers, anything like that, the kit at the time was like 20 bucks. And I linked it for Amazon. But for the dryer, if you have a Maytag, Whirlpool, or Amana dryer, the parts are interchangeable. I did not have to put in a reset code for this. You saw what I did. And yeah, hopefully it works. Fingers crossed. I came back down here. It's been about, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes. But now the lid is locked. I can see that. So it appears to be working. It's on rinse mode right now. And again, last time after it finished the load, it didn't totally like squeeze out the water, I guess. And then everything just went dark. So I'm back down here. It should be done, but it's right now it says cycle complete. Okay, did it work?
It did.
Okay, so now we did a complete full load. My wife wanted to know if it actually worked. It says cycle complete again, and she's gonna open it up and see if everything is done correctly. It worked?
Yes.
And remember, sometimes you can have a brownout or electrical surge here, and it will offset the washing machine. So you may not have to reset it. You can just try doing what I just showed you. Unplug it for 30 minutes, and then try the method I told you. If that doesn't work, I have 2 separate reset codes, and I'll link those in videos below. So yeah, it worked. 2 quick tips. Make sure that you don't use detergent that is overly soapy. And number 2, make sure that you keep the drain hose clear and you change the filter constantly. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.